Finding the number of factors might be a problem in itself, or you may have to do that in order to do something more in the problem. In any case, let's begin with an example. Say I have to find the number of factors of 360. The first thing to do is to break it down into its prime factors. So write down the prime factorization. And when I'm thinking about prime factorization, the first thing I'll ask is to cut it in half for as long as I can. So if I cut it in half, I get 180. Cut it in half again, I get 90. Cut it in half again, I get 45. And now I cannot cut in half anymore because 45 is odd. So I cut in half 3 times. So I know 2 cube. And when I did that, I ended up with 45. So now I will divide by 3, keep on dividing by 3. If I divide by 3 once, I get 15. I can divide it one more time, and then I get 5. And that's where I stop. So it's 45 is 9 times 5. And sometimes you may have to work a little bit longer in order to get the prime factorization. Now, to find the number of factors of 360, notice any factor of 360 cannot have any prime factor other than these 3. And moreover, the prime factors or the factors exponent. So if n is a factor of 360, the exponents of 2, 3, or 5 cannot be any more than what you see here. So if n is a factor, then n could be 2 to the power something times 3 to the power something, and then 5 to the power something. And these exponents cannot be more than 3 here or 2 here and 1 there, which means the exponents could be either 0, 1, 2, or 3. So notice exponent of 2 could be 0. So there are actually 4 choices for the exponent of 2, and then there are 3 choices for the exponent of 3. Why? Because it could be either 0, 1, or 2. And here I can have 2 choices. It could be either 0 or 1. And this is the number of factors. So 4 times 3 is 12, and the answer is 24. So in general, what do? After you write down the prime factorization, increase each exponent by 1. So if it is 3, then write 4. If it is 2, write 3. If it is 1, then write 2. And then multiply all those numbers. That will give you the number of factors.